Hi there, it's Kevin from Geterbrewed. I'm sitting here with the Kegmaster Series X. I'm going to show you how to convert it to commercial kegs. We've got 4 different types of couplers here. Before you choose your coupler, you need to know what sort of keg you're using. So choose one to fit. So we've got an A type here, such used by Guinness, Hoegaarden and Pimm's. We've got the S type, used by Carlsberg, Strongbow and Kronenbourg. We've got the D type. So this is basically an American version of our S type and for American kegs. And then we've got the G type or Grundy, which is used by Carling, Tennant's, Old Speckled Hen, and we use this one quite a lot ourselves. So we're going to just show you the Grundy because that's what I use at Hillstown. So when you buy the Grundy fitting from Geterbrewed, it comes with the little anchor fittings, but we also have the screw-on John Guest, which will work really well. It makes it quick release and a bit easier. It means you can change out your lines quickly and clean them. It's a 5/16. 5/8 BSB thread. CO2 in here, and then your beer liquid out this side. So I'm just going to get the CO2 line coming from a regulator at the back, and just it connects in into here. Then you'll take whatever tap you're using, take the beer line, connect it into the top, like that. This also has a small pressure release valve, which you can just pull just to release any extra pressure in a keg, just in case that is built up over time. So I've just put the 30 litre keg in. This will also take a 50 litre keg if you just take out this shelf. So now we're going to connect. Make sure this press the black handle, make sure the lid is fully up. Push it in. And it just twists clockwise. You push this down then once you're ready, and that will then pressurize the keg and activate it. That's how easy it is, but when you're doing this yourself, you need to find out what coupler the beer you're using is. So like say for example you want it, you've got a keg of Guinness, you would need an A type. You would also need a different regulator, so this is a type 30, you need a type 50. You'd also need the different nozzle. So it's just screws out, screws back on. So this one suits nitrogen, basically works for your nitrogen beers, Guinness and such. So that's how you convert a homebrew kegerator into a commercial kegerator and pour commercial beer at home. So if you have any questions, just drop us a line on social media or email us. And thanks very much for watching. See you next time.